Hey, weather-wise, though, we are really kind of socked in with the gray skies.
No kidding.
At least for the valley. Maybe a lot of folks heading up in elevation to enjoy the fresh skiing and snowboarding along with the sunshine. But for those of us who are right here at home in Portland, 45 degrees cooler conditions and the cloudy and foggy conditions still remain. That's dropping our visibility down to about 0 miles from the state capitol up to wine country. And we are expected to see that eventually find its way back into the Portland, Gresham, Troutdale area as we move our way through the rest of the night. And those temperatures definitely feeling like winter, especially for the central southern sections of the Willamette Valley, into the mid 30s at this point in time, as the mid 40s are still being enjoyed for Portland. That's pretty much as high as we got today, with low 50s found out along the coastline. Temperatures down over the past 24 hours by just a couple of degrees. Earlier today, we were down closer to 10 to 15 degrees in many scenarios as our air quality continues to suffer. So it's not likely you experiencing allergies. It's the pollutants in the atmosphere that might be giving you some itchy eyes or maybe a runny nose, all as a temperature inversion layer continues to take shape across our area. That is all in part to the stagnant air that is also in place. Cooler air traps in the pollutants as warm air aloft acts almost like a lid on top of the atmosphere, and that's not expected to shake free until about 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday for the I-5 corridor. And of course, those points east of the Cascades, the mountains typically act like a good barrier to trap in those pollutants on top of that. So reduce the amount of strenuous activity that you might be doing outside, especially if you fall under that sensitive group category. All right, you can still see over the past several hours that fog layer is still residing over the Willamette Valley as the central southern sections of the I-5 corridor are currently under a dense fog advisory. I would anticipate that that's going to be trickling its way back up into Portland and Vancouver as the rest of the night proceeds, as our temperatures stabilize in the low 40s. So in addition to the fog, the cloud coverage acts a bit like a blanket and stops those temperatures from dropping too dramatically as our visibility falls back to about 1/4 of a mile for our morning commute tomorrow. Although I do anticipate with gustier winds that our atmosphere will start to mix out tomorrow afternoon. That means more sunshine and clearer conditions, all in part to this ridge of high pressure, the culprit that is stopping any new weather systems from washing out our skies or preventing us from seeing any rain or snow over the Cascades as well. That will be moving, and as it does so ever so slightly, it's going to help to pick up on a bit more of an easterly wind event, although temperatures east of the mountains really not much different than what we're experiencing, so it doesn't impact our temperatures. If anything, we still reside well above the average of 47 with a high tomorrow of 56 here in the Rose City, as we shave off about an inch or so every single day that we don't see snowfall, and those above average temperatures stay persistent for our ski resorts. But at least we have some on the ground, as our snow deficit still grows to a little more than 55 inches for places like Timberline Lodge. On top of that, our rain deficit now growing to nearly 1/10 of an inch, as January has brought us some beneficial rain for the first week. But as we work our way into the middle of the month, still drying conditions expected, as the sunshine does return tomorrow as those winds, they start to pick up out of the east. That's also going to be the case for us come Friday, and that will make for some nice, very comfortable temperatures. We just got to fight through those gustier conditions, especially tomorrow evening and nights. That's where we expect to see some of those wind speeds near about 35 miles per hour. So for tonight, no wind, patchy fog, temperatures falling back into the upper 30s by about sunrise. You'll notice tomorrow we slowly start to mix out that fog layer. The sunshine returns before the wind also starts to pick up as those afternoon temperatures climb back up into the mid 50s. For the coast, hey, we could squeeze out a few low 60s in some locations with a sun cloud mix. Again, that fog layer dissipating to sunny and breezy conditions for the valley. Out east, comfortable conditions, and the high terrain of the Cascades, unfortunately no snowfall, so we'll probably shave off another inch of that snowpack as our 7-day forecast keeps those dry, sunny skies going all the way through the extended holiday weekend. Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday for your volunteer work. It's dry, it's sunny.
Yeah, look at that.
In the mid 50s. And our next chance of rain, it's very slim potential, but it's 1 week from today.
Yeah, what a dry stretch. Can't believe it.
Very odd for January.
Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.